here is how we can create a Microsoft account on the iPad. Let me talk about it, and if this is your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So Microsoft account, first of all, is important if you want to use the Microsoft services. So things like the, let's say, for example, the Word app or OneNote or Teams, right, for video calls. Whatever it might be, you need to use it for those services. So the first way to set up a new account would be by getting this type of app from the App Store. For example, I downloaded the Microsoft Word or Microsoft OneNote, right? You just get this app and you are greeted with the first welcome page, and you have to kind of like proceed with an account. So it's going to give you the ability to just sign in with an existing one if you have it, and if not, you are going to be asked, or you will have the ability to create a brand new account from scratch. So this would be one of the ways to start a new Microsoft account, as I say, by getting a service you need and proceeding with the first initial pages. So obviously you just click on the no account, create one, and it's going to move you over to the creation page. And you're going to have to like go through it. You can create your account by at first entering your new email address. So you can pick the at Outlook or at hotmail.com. You can continue with the new mail, right? So you can pick up try to use a username which hasn't been used before. So you can click on a next, right? Then you can create a password. So in plenty of cases, you can also use like the Apple's passwords manager, which can set up a very good password for you. And yeah, it's going to be very secure and stuff. So you can keep it like that. Then you can continue, and you are basically going to go through all of the details that it asks you to add. So like the country and the birth date and so on, right? So you have to go through it. For some reason, it is important. So that's what you need to set up to begin with. But then you just click on the next and you just continue. You can pick your first name and a last name. So that's also something that you have to set up as well. So once you type that in, you can click on the next, and you will basically need to prove that you are human. So there might be some different tactics or different tools used to like do this, but you essentially either press and hold on a button or move some kind of like puzzle piece or whatever they have ready for you, but you have to confirm that you are human and not a bot creating a new account. And you can see that you are like go through it and you have a new account like that. So it's pretty much simple like this. It's not very hard, but that's like one of the ways to make it work. Outside of that, you can also just go to the Safari web browser and type in create Microsoft account, and you just go through it and you end up with a new account, which you can then use for all of the Microsoft services. So I hope that I could help you and guide you through it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future videos.